In this video, I'm going to show you how to add USDT in BloFin. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both right now. So you want to go to add funds, top right first. Of course, you want to be signed into your account and on your dashboard. And when you click on add funds, you have two options. You could buy crypto. So to add USDT, you can click on over here. You can then go to the buy section. You can select how much you want to spend. So I'm going to select euros. I want to spend 100 euros and I want to get USDT. So make sure USDT is selected over here. Then here, of course, you can select where you want to deposit and then your payment method. And when you do this, you want to just add the new card, type in your card details, and you can add USDT to your account on BloFin that way, okay? That's the first way to do it. The second one is depositing from a different wallet where you already hold some USDT. So if I go to add funds and click on deposit crypto, I'm going to actually have to go to select crypto and then select USDT from the menu. Okay, so it's over here. I'm going to click on it. And now I'm going to open this MetaMask wallet I have over here. And you'll see that I do have some USDT on my BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so it's just 0.757 USDT, but it's going to work for this tutorial. Now, what you want to do, you want to make sure you are on the correct network. So you want to select the network over here in which you do have Tether or, of course, USDT. So I'm going to click on here. As you can see, I have it on the BNB Smart Chain. Select network. For me, it's going to be BNB Smart Chain. There we go. And then you'll get your deposit details. You want to copy the receiving address, which in my case is this. For you, it's going to be a different one depending on your account. And then from here, when you have your receiving address, you want to just go to your wallet. You want to find USDT, and then when you're inside USDT as a coin, you want to click on the send button. From here, you want to paste in the address. Again, make sure there's the correct network. As you can see here, I get this little error over here. It says you're sending this address the first time. Okay, that's cool because it is correct. I've copied it. But in case, of course, you have some other errors, make sure you actually fix them before proceeding. I'm going to do maximum over here, and I'm going to click on continue. Then from here, you'll see, there we go. It's the network is BNB Smart Chain. Now, in my case, I don't have the network fee, as you can see, and that's because I don't have enough BNB on here, or not BNB, but of course, yes, in my case, it's BNB, but in your case, it may be something different. So, of course, I would have to buy it to be able to do this. This just actually means that don't just like deposit or withdraw or kind of put over everything you have. Make sure you leave some BNB, which is the native coin of that specific chain. Now, you may use Solana or something else like Tron or something similar. So make sure you have some of that coin on there still, and then you'll be able to go and proceed over, okay? So from here, as you can see, again, I don't have the network fee. If I did, I'd be able to click on continue over here and then just send it with the click of this button, and it would allow me to add USDT to BloFin. So it would take like a few minutes at maximum for this to arrive. And then if I went to assets and then spot over here, I'd be able to basically find my USDT on here inside my account, okay? So that's how easy it is to do that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.